Hello, and welcome to All Care Software EVV app version 2.0 tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create a template and then create a manual timesheet using that template. First thing we're going to do is log in, and from the main All Timesheets page, go to the menu bar. Drop down and select Manual Timesheets, and it will bring us to the Manual Timesheets page. First thing we need to do is create a template. So here in the select template box, if you do the arrow, you'll see we have no templates saved. We'll close that up, and the plus symbol will allow us to enter a template. First thing I'm going to want to do is name my template. So I am going to name this template after client Melissa. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is enter the shifts that I usually work for Melissa. So I know that on a weekly basis, I work for Melissa 9 a.m. until noon every day, 7 days a week. So I'm going to create my template, my shift. Okay. So 9 to noon every day, and simply going to click copy all, and it will apply that shift to those 7 days. Now let's say that I did not work for Melissa on Wednesdays. All I have to do is go back to Wednesday, hit clear, and it will take that shift out of Wednesday. Okay. But I do work for Melissa 7 days a week, so I'll go back and hit copy to all, and it will copy that 9 to noon to all 7 days. I want to go back to the top, and again, make sure that I named my template, and then confirm and submit. Now when we're back to the manual timesheets page, you go to templates, and you will now see we have our Melissa template. I'm going to click on the Melissa template and hit OK. And then I'm going to select a date. So I will go for the first week of June and just select June 5th. If I wanted to do a bi-weekly entry, I could click bi-weekly, and it will put in all 14 days of that pay period. I'm going to leave it at 1 week and select my client, Melissa, the service that Melissa receives. Okay, and hit next. Okay, and you will see now it pulls up that pay week, which started on Sunday, June 5th, and went through Saturday, June 11th, and it applied my 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. shift for every day. Now what I have to do is go back and select the activities that I performed on those days. All right, that's the most time-consuming part of the whole process. As you can see, it takes about 45 seconds to a minute. Once all of our activities are selected, we want to go back to the top and hit apply. So we make sure we apply those changes. Go to the bottom, certify the agreement, hit confirm and submit. We will get a message saying congratulations, we have submitted our timesheet. And then we want to go back to the all timesheets page. Okay. Now we have weekly pending here. It's showing blank. We know that we still have to sign these timesheets. So we have to go up here to select a month. And we want to make sure that we select June, because June was the period that time that week was in. You hit done. And now you can see under weekly pending, we have Melissa's timesheets to sign. We drop down, we can look at the days. We have the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th, and 11th to sign. You can click into these days individually and sign each day individually and make sure the activities were selected. But to save yourself a lot of time, simply click the pencil. It will pull up every timesheet that is still pending for that pay week, which should be all of them because they weren't signed. You can view the days, the times. You can see the activities is green. That means they've been selected. If you forgot to select activities for a day, these would still be red. So verify the times that are in there. All looks good. Verify that with the client. You can tap in the box, agree to the terms, submit, have the client sign, submit, see both signatures in there. You'll see that it is signed successfully. You go back, and now that week's timesheets are gone out of weekly pending. You can sort this to weekly completed, which completed is all activities have been picked for each day and all days have been signed. You can drop down and just review what timesheets are in there, ready to be submitted by payroll so you can get paid. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one.